Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to deactivate Facebook account in mobile. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app and click on menu option. Tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings and click on see more in account center. Okay, after that tap on personal details. Okay, click on account ownership and control, then tap on second option. Okay, click on Facebook profile and select deactivate account and tap on continue. That's all to deactivate Facebook account in mobile. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.